Today we are going to discuss our new unit, Geometric Optics from American Academy of Optics. All the glossary definitions are important. I have already mentioned that, but I will tell you which have already come in the exam. Defocus is very important. Okay, negative defocus and positive defocus. Okay, this will you will read this in seventh or eighth unit, I think. Fermat principle. This is a past MCQ. But again I am saying don't skip any of these definitions. Nodal point, very important, okay. Quantized position, principal plane, important, these are important, okay. All these have come in the exam. Introduction, just give a read, not too much important. Refractive index is very important, okay. Denser medium, okay. And all this on which factor the refractive index depends, material, etc. All this is very important. Not important, okay. Prisms, very important, okay. You have to read in detail about prisms. Also read from Elkington. There will be many questions asked about the prisms in the paper. Uh, there will be question about the prism power, etc. Minimum deviation position, minimum angle of deviation, all these position, precise position I have already mentioned in the glossary, all these very important. In the exam there will be question about prism power, deviation. You will have to prescribe prism for both eyes, and also for horizontal and vertical deviations. Horizontal and vertical deviations. Please read this topic from here and from any source you can get. Fresnel prism again very important, okay. Reflection very important. Critical angle, total tunnel reflection. Please read very carefully. Okay. On what factors the it depends. Okay. Total tunnel reflection. Reflection bias in the curved surface. And just give a read. Not very important. To all these are not important, okay. And this is important, okay. Not important. Just a read to this topic. Not important. This depth of focus and depth of field. Very important again. Please read in detail. Here is written again. Depth of focus, depth of field. It is very important. Get the idea from here as well. Not just give a read to the real and virtual image topic. Transverse and angular magnification. This is important. Okay. Transverse and angular magnification. Angular magnification important. Okay. Just read these topics. Aberrations very important. Just read this, please. This is important. Okay. Especially the seedal aberrations. This is very important. This question has been asked 2 or 3 times. Different kind of seedal aberrations are spherical aberration, and they have mentioned there spherical aberration, comma, astigmatism, curvature of field, distortion. You should know this that these are the seedal aberrations because they will be one option in the MCQ which will not be the spherical aberration, and then it will be asked which of the following is not the spherical aberration. So read the definition of every spherical aberration, curvature of field, what is distortion. All these are very important. Uh, Spherical aberration, please read it very carefully. Night myopia. This is very important. Okay. Chromatic aberration also important. And also read the connoid of circle of least confusion and the least diffusion. Please read it. Spherical equivalent. There will be questions about the spherical equivalent in the exam. Power cross. Very important. You will get 2 or 3 questions about the power cross to give the final prescription. Okay, please practice about the power cross and how to give the prescription. Similarly, like these, there will be accent loss under is important. Okay, mirrors not important. Just give a